Hi everyone, today we're going to set up your wallet so you can begin to withdraw your tokens earned. In your publisher page, click Dashboard. From here you'll see the tokens you've earned. Then click Withdraw and enter your password. Then verify. Here we're about to download MetaMask. MetaMask is a third-party wallet. What it does, it allows you to trade the public tokens earned for Ethereum. So here you're going to click MetaMask and download it. So this is, as we mentioned, the crypto wallet which allows you to trade all other ERC20 tokens. Here you will click Download button and add to Chrome. Now we're ready to get started. To the right, click Create a Wallet and agree. Here you need to come up with a password of your choice, minimum 8 characters. The next screen is really important because here what you'll have is a 12-word password which you cannot forget. So it's important to store this in a really safe place. To finish setup, you'll just need to repeat that 12-word phrase. As mentioned, please keep this in a safe place. And now we have set up your MetaMask wallet. The next step is to begin to add the public token. Come back to Public, close the screen, and go into the Start menu and click How to withdraw tokens. Here you'll find the information about the token itself. If you scroll down slightly, you'll see the token number, which is PUBLX's very own token number. So here you'll copy the numbers and letters as seen and come back to MetaMask. In MetaMask, we're about to add the token. Here, go to Custom Token and paste the phrase in there. And you can see the public token automatically appears. So add the token and then go to the top left, account 1, and you're back at MetaMask. Now you see you have Ethereum and you also have PUBLX. If we go back to Public, make sure to refresh and go to the dashboard again and withdraw. So again, you'll be asked to just verify your password. This is the password for Public, not for MetaMask. And now you can see that your MetaMask wallet has been linked. Click Next. Here you'll be asked to confirm your account address, which has been linked. Click Set Signing Ethereum Address. This just takes what you had previously. You will now receive an email to confirm that. Please make sure also to check any junk or spam mail, as sometimes the email can go there instead. Then confirm the request. So you've now verified your signing Ethereum address and click Next. And now you're ready to withdraw. Again, just link to the address, clicking the blue button, and the amount of tokens you would like to withdraw. And finally, create the withdrawal request. And there you have it. You've made the withdrawal request, and now Public will check that before approving it within about 24 hours. Also make sure you can pin MetaMask to your toolbar, making it easy to see. And then by tomorrow, you should be able to see the public tokens in your wallet.